Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we are from Group 3 Science, and today we are going to talk about forces and activities. But first of all, let's get to know each other. Hello, I'm Nabila Zalika Rachman.
And I am Raditya Bahir Purwanto.
I'm Fakhry Adi Gaisan.
I'm Lana Amalia Farha. Let's start. Ay! Okay, so everyone, that was one of the examples of forces and activities, such as in that activity, tug of war. So I am going to be explaining one of the forces, which is tension force. Tension force is that when the pulling transmitted through the rope, when it is pulled from both ends, like that activity, tug of war. Tension force is when it's pulled tight by forces acting from opposite directions. As in tug of war, tension happens in the rope between two teams.
Okay, the next is friction force. In tug war, it's the force between players' shoes and the ground. That prevents them from slipping and helps them pull the rope. In a tug war, friction mainly happens between the player's shoes and the ground. Friction force is the force that resists motion between two surfaces that are touching. It acts in the opposite direction. Okay,
Okay, this is the gravitational force in the tug of war. Is the force that pulls players toward the earth, helping them stay on the ground and create friction so they can pull the rope. In a tug of war, gravity pulls all the players downward toward the ground. Gravitational force is the force that pulls objects toward the earth.
Last but not least, did you know that in the game tug of war, there is Newton's third law, which says, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. In tug of war, when a player pulls the rope pulls back on the player with the same amount of force, but in the opposite direction. Newton's third law in tug of war means that when a team pulls the rope pulls back on the team with an equal force in the opposite direction.
That's all from us today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.